morning. At 6 p.m. the stage was 10.7 feet. Flood stage is 11 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by Friday evening and rise to near 11.2 feet by early Saturday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by early Tuesday morning. At 11 feet, flooding occurs in agricultural areas near the river. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Hocking River at Enterprise from late tonight to Monday afternoon. At 3 p.m. the stage was 6.9 feet. Flood stage is 12 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 16.9 feet by early Sunday afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Monday morning. At stages near 17 feet, many roads downstream of Logan become flooded. Flooding will also affect Route 33 near Enterprise and State Route 93 near Logan and Forest Road in Enterprise. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Little Miami River in northeastern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County, until 5 p.m. Monday. At 4:58 p.m., the river gauge near Spring Valley indicated that flooding was occurring along the Little Miami River. High water will impact low areas near Spring Valley, Roxana, Corwin, and east of Waynesville. Flood waters will approach homes very close to the river, and widespread bottomland flooding will occur. Water will flood Corwin Road, Waynesville Road, and Middletown Road near the river. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your vehicle to cross safely, and the road beneath may not be intact. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Big Darby Creek at Darbyville from Sunday afternoon to Tuesday morning. At 6 p.m. the stage was 8.3 feet. Flood stage is 10 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by early Sunday afternoon and continue to rise to near 11.4 feet by Monday morning. The river will fall below flood stage by Tuesday morning. At stages near 12 feet, lowland flooding occurs along Big Darby Creek in Pickaway, Franklin, and Madison counties. Portions of Darby Creek Road north of Darbyville become flooded. Flood warning. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Scioto River near the route from late tonight to late Monday night. At 8 p.m. the stage was 9.9 feet. Flood stage is 11 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by early Sunday morning and rise to near 11.9 feet by Sunday evening. The river will fall below flood stage by Monday night. At 12 feet, flooding occurs in lowland areas south of the village of LaRue. Route 37, North High Street, and parts of Vine Street inundated. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flood warning for Harrison County, Jefferson County, Columbiana County, Genesee County, Coshocton County, Muskegon County, Carroll County, Tuscarawas County, until 11 a.m. Sunday. At 10:58 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 3/4 inch. Additional rainfall up to 2 inches. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, Whitton, Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Salem, Coshocton, East Liverpool, Cambridge, Columbiana, Ridgeville, East Palestine. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988. state, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for southern Richland County, southeastern Ashland County, Morrow County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, Knox County, until 12:30 p.m. Sunday at 12:26 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen on ground that is nearly saturated from recent rainfall. Additional rainfall amounts up to a ½ inch are possible in the warned area. Flooding of low-lying and poorly drained streets, highways, and underpasses is likely. In addition, flooding of farmland and drainage ditches will occur. Rises are expected on rivers, streams, and creeks, which may exceed their banks. Flooding is also possible on the Black Fork of the Mohican River near Loudonville. At midnight, the river was at 9.3 feet at the gauge near Loudonville. The river is expected to rise overnight. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around. Don't drown if you encounter flooded roadways. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.